Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm here to announce to you that we made a package of crack growth that contains all our English tutorial about the crack growth with XFEM method to J integral, VCCT, everything. This is the package. Click on the title or blue sign, this continue, and then you will have the package page. So here we have an explanation about the package. Also here we explain that we have all the tutorial in the package separately in our website, and you can provide them separately, but here we gather them as a package with uh, a good cost for the especially students. So the title of the package contains 10 tutorial, and the title is crack growth in the RC beams under 5 or 4 points bending, concrete plate in 2D and 3D, the bone, the bone under the 4 point, that is based on the research paper. Maybe that is weird, but it is okay because we use a paper for that. Also concrete dam. Under the seismic loading, we can investigate crack growth by using something like XFEM method, and we have that. I think we have the. We can search this here. For instance, copy this. We can search it here. See, this is the tutorial for this Koina Dam crack growth. You can check it here. This is the seismic analysis. That is exactly a good predict of the tensile damage. If you use CDP model, you can see the tensile damage here. Okay, return to the package. And also diagonal crack by using XFEM. I don't know, the crack grows in the pressure vessel by using the load subroutine to consider wind load, and you can see some figure of these are some figures of the tutorials in the package. And also here we made the cost as the minimum price, 43 euros as the minimum price for the crack package. You can use a PayPal account, a Visa, Mastercard. Before that, send me an email to this address or other email here in the website. In the website contact section, you can translate the website in the original language in English. Okay, after that, after payment, you will receive 10 download links, and they will be available for 1 year, and you can keep them for 1 year, or download the file in your computer. Download the files in your computers. Okay, send me an email to this address to get this special package. Thank you for attention.